What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be replacing the fuel pump on my 2001 BMW 325i, also known as the E46. So I have never done this replacement before, but it seems pretty simple. It looks like BMW actually gave us an access port to the fuel pump under the back seat. So I'm expecting it to be pretty straightforward. So basically all we got to do is pull up the rear seat. It should be the same for coupes or sedans. Mine is a sedan. And that the rear seat, you should be able to just grab a hold of the front and pull up on each side, and it should remove it pretty easily. And then you're going to go to your passenger side because that's where our fuel pump is going to be. And then if we pull this guy back, you should see there is 4 nuts that hold that plate on. We'll have to remove that, and then we should have access to the fuel pump.
Alright, somehow I lost the clip, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like once you pop that cover off. You'll have your fuel feed line, which is just a regular hose clamp, so you'll need a flat blade screwdriver for that. And then your electrical connector, that will just slide towards the bottom of this picture I'm showing right now. And then you should be able to pull up once you get it slid down.
My electrical connector unplugged, you should just be able to slide that to one side or the other and just pull it up. And then I got my fuel feed line pulled off as well. And as you can see, I got plenty of rags and I have it propped up just so any more fuel can't leak out of there. And next we're going to take a hammer and a big flathead screwdriver and pound this ring off. All right, so I got my ring loosened up here. I couldn't really film it. But the idea is just use a big flathead screwdriver and wedge it up against any of those little tabs that stick up, and then just whack the end of it. I used a rubber mallet, but I think any hammer will do. All right, so now that I got my ring off there, I just use a pair of needle nose vice grips to crimp the hose to keep it up out of the way. And we should just be able to grab by this little handle here and start to pull that on up out of there. Might be a little bit, there we go. Just had to give it a good pull. And should have plenty of rags. And I made sure to do this when my fuel tank was almost on E. So I'm hoping that saves me a little bit of mess with fuel going everywhere. But I'm just gonna get my rags spread out here and pull this guy. And you just, there's a couple filter covers on the bottom there you gotta watch out for. And pull her up and out. And that's that. All right, I got our new fuel pump ready to go in there. So all we have to do really is to make sure we line up this tab with the tab on the ring in the tank there, and we should be good to go. So just have to make sure kind of putting it down there in an angle so that everything fits without hitting too much. Slides just down in there like that. Gotta just put down the camera here and try to use 2 hands to get it down in there good. All right, I got my fuel pump seated up in there nice. Now we're just gonna throw back on this retaining ring by using the big flathead screwdriver and the hammer like before. All right, I got my electrical connector plugged back up there, and I got my fuel feed line hooked back up and my hose clamp tightened down. Everything looks good. I'm just gonna throw this cover back over there, tighten those nuts up, and then throw the back seat in, and that should be it. All right, I got the back seat thrown back in there and everything buttoned up. So now I'm just going to take her for a test drive. So when we turn the key into standby here, we're just listening for that fuel pump to kick on. All right, and I heard it kick on there. It may be a little hard to hear in the video, but Sounds like we have tons of fuel flow, so let's fire her up. Everything sounds good on the first fire up. All right, just got back from test driving the car after replacing the fuel pump. Everything seems to be working as it should, so I would consider that a successful replacement. Thanks, guys.